Replacing a cabin air filter in your vehicle is one of those DIY projects that is both economical and easy to do. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your vehicle's cabin air filters in minutes. Cabin filters are typically found in a compartment behind the glove box. Remove the compartment door to access the filter. Check your owner's manual if you can't locate. Here, note the airflow direction arrows to ensure it's put back in the same position. Over time, the filter traps leaves, pollen, and other debris. Changing filters out periodically makes airflow more efficient and helps ensure optimal glass defogging or defrosting in the colder weather, and optimal air conditioning functions when it gets warmer. Remove the old filter and replace with a new one. We like the Fram brand filters as it incorporates baking soda with carbon embedded in the filter to help cut odors. When placing back on the frame, ensure the airflow arrow is in the correct position. You can check your owner's manual to confirm exact model needed. Cabin air filters should generally be replaced yearly between 12,000 to 15,000 miles. The last step is to slide the filter back into its compartment and snap the cover back in place. Quick and easy. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.